Capsule 65.
Ouais. Je commence avec le blockchain. OK. Alors là, c'est la blockchain avec les entreprises. Une technologie disruptive. Mettons que c'est un abus de langage. Il appelle ça une technologie de rupture. C'est des changements radicaux. Un exemple, l'iPhone. Quand Apple a sorti ça, c'était une technologie disruptive.
Ça dérangeait.
Oui, mais en fait, c'est que ça changeait complètement de ce qu'on connaissait des flips, des téléphones d'avant.
Okay.
On avait tout dans la main. Alors ça, c'est vraiment un radical. Le blockchain, c'est la même chose. Et actuellement, le syndrome là, dans le monde, là, c'est la FOMO. C'est une espèce de phobie qui traduit comme Fear of Missing Out, la peur de manquer quelque chose. Alors, toutes les entreprises actuellement, beaucoup dans le monde cherchent des façons d'utiliser des opportunités qu'offre la blockchain. En conclusion, la blockchain est un levier pour innover et créer de nouveaux services ou produits, de nouvelles opportunités. C'est fly l'affaire, mais il faut lire. FOMO. Fear of missing
something.
Voilà.
John C. Maxwell, the 5 level of leadership, I am at level 5.
Oh, yeah.
So the best behaviors are level 5. I mean, level 5 is the pinnacle. Huh? How to use the pinnacle as a platform to do something greater than yourself. So there's quite a few there, but I just pinned out like 2 important things. The leader's focus. Working on people's strength instead of weakness. We learn to do that with ourselves, but it's true that when we try to coach some people, we try to improve their weakness.
Yeah.
We shouldn't do that. We should work on their strength.
Okay.
Just like we did for ourselves.
That's cool.
The other one is leave a positive legacy. I like it. It's very important because someone asked, for example, you understand everything. Someone once asked Billy Graham what the most surprising thing about life was. The brevity of it. He replied, it goes faster than you think.
Yep.
And when you're young, you know, you go, you thrive, you want to go on top, you want to be successful, and then you're ready to do whatever, and you have an urge and this and that. And then when you get older, there's more than success to be achieved.
Yes, that's for sure.
So, in conclusion, don't let yourself get to the final days of your life wondering what could have been. Decide today what your life will be, and then take action each and every day to live your dreams and leave your legacy.
Well, we have
work to do. We have a lot of work to do.